Hey guys, so I haven't done one of these in a while, but I bet by looking at this, you know. Oh, and by the title, duh, you know what this video is. So let's get right into this grocery haul. What I'm gonna do is scan the items and I'll let you know as well in the little spot here or in the middle, somewhere I'll show you. But yeah, I've got some turkey pepperoni here. And this is good for when I make the riced cauliflower. I really like Trader Joe's one better. I don't know, there's something different about them both. If anyone could tell me what it is, let me know, because I thought cauliflower is just cauliflower, but there is something different where I'm obsessed with the Trader Joe's one. This one's okay though. And I'm actually going to make this with some marinara sauce at 0 points. And then add this on top, which I've made before. If you're new to my channel, I did that and it's amazing with some mozzarella cheese. Oh, so good. Then I got some buttermilk because I am gonna make that corn pasta that's from the Skinny Dish. Actually, that's who I'm getting the marinara sauce recipe from, is her, and I made it before in a crock pot. It's amazing. All the links down below for that and the corn pasta. So this is for the corn pasta too. This is also for like if we have hot dogs and want to add bacon bits on, because that's the way we roll here. All this bread's falling. Let me just show you guys the bread real fast. Okay, we got some hot dog buns, regular hamburger buns, and then butter bread. That's the only one right now that my kids are liking. Other bread, they know the difference, which is weird because I never knew the difference between bread growing up. I've got my Vans. Oh my gosh, I love these waffles. They're so good. And then see how it shows fruit with it? For some reason, when you add fruit to these, it just tastes 10 times better. And use some sugar-free syrup and you're good to go. These are really good. Then I've got veggie straws. These are good in the house for the kids. They love it, and I love to snack on it too. And it's actually not that high in points. Let me double check right here. Oh no, my eye's spazzing right now. 4 points for 38 of the straws, which are pretty good size. They're like the average French fry size. Okay, eggs, because gotta have eggs in the house. I like omelets, all that kind of stuff. Got some cheese. They didn't have the fat-free cheese, so this is good enough. And plus the kids eat this more than I do with their sandwiches that I make them. Then we got some beef right here. This is American style Kobe beef, ground beef patties. Never tried this kind before, but I don't know, just got it. I did Instacart this, so that's why everything's kind of like, some of the stuff I'm like, So yeah, I didn't know what exactly I was looking for. I just saw that on there and I was like, okay. Some Frank's. Okay, this is the thing with Instacart, is when they run out, they want to replace it with something, you're like, okay. So I did get originally I wanted the kind I always get where it's only 1 point, and they didn't have it. They didn't have another one like that, and so this was the only option. And I know the kids and my husband want hot dogs this weekend, so got that. Diced onions. This is if these come in handy if I don't feel like chopping onions. So we got grilled onions, onions that we're gonna grill on my hibachi grill that I love. And then another one is gonna go in a recipe of mine. And then I think, okay, I was like, wait, I need a red onion for one of my recipes too. So there's my red onions. And then I've got some penne. So I got this to make with the marinara sauce and add some feta on top, the reduced fat feta. So there's that. And then this is for the corn. You're usually supposed to use the little macaroni salad, like the half macaroni salad, the little chopped ones, or pasta, I mean. But they didn't have any. Then I got this light cheese spread. We love pretzels with this, and we love wheat thins with this. So good. And then just some shredded cheese. This is the reduced fat Mexican style cheese, just to add on, you know, if we want to make bean and cheese burritos or something, with just some basic tortillas. Then I got some peppers. Those peppers are so good. I go through these like crazy. I should have got more bags, but I only got one because I was like, this bill is gonna be not so pleasant. So got sausage patties. Those taste good when you make a morning a breakfast sandwich, or if you want to crumble it up and add it in an omelet. So good. Got some strawberries that are already sliced. Turkey. This is just the deli turkey. Did I show the mozzarella? There's the mozzarella. Got chili, no beans. My kid is allergic to beans. My boy is. And so we try to make sure we don't have too many beans, even though I did say bean and cheese burrito, but that's like when he's sleeping and my daughter wants some. But yeah, chili, no beans. I still am kind of nervous to give this to him because I don't know, you guys. Are your kids allergic to anything? If so, comment down below. Got SpongeBob's house right here. Then I have diced tomatoes. This is all going to be used for the marinara crock-pot sauce at 0 points. So yeah, I'm really pumped about that. Okay, as you can see right here, I am gonna make the kids and myself some root beer floats. This is vanilla bean halo top and diet root beer. And then I use Cool Whip, so it's less points. Genius, right? Okay. Broccoli, the kids, this is their favorite vegetable, is broccoli. They love broccoli. They fight over broccoli. And I'm like, it's okay, you guys can fight over that. And then we got some baby carrots, which are awesome for like all kinds of recipes too. And these are all the tomatoes. Oh wait, just one diced tomato, sorry. All the corn. And then this size right here is perfect. If you're someone who doesn't buy Greek yogurt all the time, but you wanna make that recipe, the corn salad pasta thing, then I suggest just getting this because this is exactly enough. This is exactly how much you need. So just in case, if you guys are the type that don't wanna buy like a big Greek yogurt, you know, and knowing it's gonna get bad, this is good size. And then I got some light mayo, so you guys, oh, vegetable broth, because I have a ton of vegetables. So what I've been doing is getting the kids some like free lunches, like going to the school. So sometimes on Fridays they give you a whole bunch of produce and it's mostly vegetables. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make a soup with it or something. And even though it's hot, it's okay. So I'm gonna try to make some kind of soup with the vegetables that we've been getting. So yeah. That is my haul video, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed. It's been a minute since I've done one of these, right? Actually, my mom gave me the idea to do it again. Oh my gosh, I did not show you guys these because maybe I'm ashamed. But Arby's curly fries, oh, life changer. Sometimes my husband puts cheese on it and melts it, you guys. Oh my gosh. You could have like one. Okay, it was great talking to you guys. Hope you're all doing well, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.